I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence.
What's up, everybody? So, one of the funniest things going around is, yeah, you had a red day, but you haven't had a TIRX red day. I have no idea what this is about. It's very hard to see this thing get bleaker. It's for April 13th, AEHL, right? So it's been as high as 5.5. We really want to see it get above 3.3 with some volume. It does that, we can start to come back through. So here to here to here to here to here. BNTC, this gap is held. So, we really, gets above 5 and 5 holds, we can start to come back through. CGA, really want to see it get above, 820, and it can continue up. The problem is you don't know how many people are trapped in here on these upper wicks, so just be careful if you take it. CLOV, we get above 320, or sorry, we get above 820, we can get a reversal back through. It's been as high as 16.8. Volume on news, it looks like it's being bought up. That's what I think this candles is here for. Let's see here. So where's all the volume? I can't tell. Well, hold on. Looks like people sold off, but it's coming back up. People sold off into the strength. Okay, so it looks like people are selling off every time it pops, but I don't know. Volume's decreasing. There's a big bar of volume. People buying it back up. People buying it back up. So yeah, 800,000 in 15 minutes of time, in 5 minutes of time. People are buying it up. They're putting the brakes on it. That or they're short covering, so we can figure that out, right? That's not too hard. Yeah, lots of shorts, but the volume's dying, so they're going to have to get out. Moving on. GOVX. Right? GOVX, long candle here, all this volume. It was all these people got a chance to get out, right? So if all these people got out, there shouldn't be too much more selling left. So 819, or we really want to see it hold 520, and we go up to 871. IO is one of my favorites. I'm probably watching this all day. It gets above 260 and holds. It's been as high as 535. I really like IO. Rail, same thing. So we get above 620 and it holds. Let's take a look what's going on here. Right? There's almost no shorts of this. So it's all long selling. There's a little bit of shorts here, but it's dwindled, right? And they probably played it the 6, right? So they were shorting into here, came back here. So there's no real shorts on this. So whenever longs take control again, 6.2, wherever this starts to reverse, there's not going to be a big short pounding it. So rail's pretty interesting. RCON, same thing. I want to see it get above 7.5, kind of hold. 9.7 is where it's been. REPX, okay. So this thing is crazy. I don't know what I'm just going to watch it. like 950 in the last 3 months. Now it's down at 29.5. So you might say, like, okay, why is this interesting? Well, because this scale is all screwed up. So here's a couple of things. See this volume? See this volume? Right. So let's look at it on a better scale. See, there we go. So we see this thing get above 31.59 and it really hold. You know, it was 45 2 days ago. If we look at even more of the volume, right? These guys, right? If we really want to see what's going on here, right? So I would say there's a bunch of shorts trapped. Yeah. I'm pretty sure here's your shorts right here. So 32, they're going to start pushing up into here. UTME. It's one of my favorites. I don't know if it's ready yet, but it's getting close. Right? So it was up at 107. We're now down at 49. You know, get above 60 and hold. Right? 59, 60, hold. You know, next stop is 67. Next stop is 70. Next stop is 107. So, and this thing can bring, you know, this could be an account doubler, right? Because I guarantee you there's shorts throughout this whole thing. Yep, shorts. Like over 50% of every day is shorts. So once one folds, it'll help the other, it'll help the other, it'll help the other. All right, well, that's it. Enjoy, have fun.